Hey everybody, it's Juvie and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this soft beat glam look, and I actually got inspiration for this video from Nikki Tutorial's latest video, and hers is like a more in-depth version of it. But of course, I just really wanted to play with the makeup. Like, this is what I felt like doing. I was planning on doing like a I follow somebody's tutorial kind of makeup video, but wasn't in the mood for that this week, so I just wanted to just turn on the camera, play with some makeup, and just show you this look, because I actually wore this look yesterday on a date with Corbin and I just really enjoyed it. Like, I just couldn't stop looking at myself. Like, yeah, I sound a little narcissistic, but like, come on. Like, the technique, it like really opens up my eyes and makes it look so much bigger. I don't know why I did that. That's ugly, but it just makes my eyes look so much bigger, and like it looks so blown out, and just like I just feel like a model, you know? You like looks that just makes you feel like a model, makes you feel confident. So yeah, I just want you to show this look with you all. So I hope you all enjoy it, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to do the eyes, of course. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Tartelette Toasted palette, and this is like all warm colors. Like, it looks very similar to the colors that Nikki Tutorials used on her eyeshadow. So that's why I picked this palette, and plus like it blends so well and seamlessly, so I think it's perfect for this look. And yeah, like, look at me using a high-end makeup product. Who would have thought? But of course, I'm going to prime the lids with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in this medium 26. So I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush and go in with the first color, Latte, right here, which is a light brown shade, and really blend it into the crease. I kind of like go to the outer V and then also blend it into the crease as well, but you want this to be very blown out. So I'm going to start off with the outer V, but then I'm going to move towards the eye, and that technique is going to be a little different, but I will show you when I get there. So when I get to the front part of my crease, I'm actually going to go into the eyebrow and really blend it out. So it kind of like is very high up, and it's like it is kind of into the crease, but like a lot higher than I usually take it. And that's what Nikki Tutorials did in her video, and I was just like amazed by it, because I never take my eyeshadow that high and like into my brow. But when I did it yesterday, it just looked amazing. Like, I loved how it looked. It made my eyes look so much bigger and like give me more eyeshadow space, which I really liked. So I really liked how it turned out. Taking that same brush, I'm going to go into the color Cozy, which is like a deep red shade, and this will like really darken up the look. And I'm really just going to be following the same shape as I did earlier. So I'm just going to be following Latte and just really follow along the crease just to darken it up. I just love how these like blend so well together, because her eyeshadow is like very blendable shades, I'd say. They're not like super pigmented, they're kind of like more sheer, so I think it's really good for like a very natural kind of look. I feel like you can really notice how much bigger my eyes look from just this. It just looks like so cool, because it looks like I have like a full-on crease, but I don't. I still have hooded eyelids. But I just really love how it looks. It just creates like a shadow, and it looks so like natural but still like dramatic, so that's why I really like it. So I'm going to clean off that brush just a little bit. And I really just used this brush the whole tutorial. I didn't know if I said that or not, but I am. And I'm going to go into that color Warmth right here just to add some warmth. And it's like a orange, like a burnt orange kind of shade. And yeah, I really just use it to add some warmth to the eye look, because I feel like it's just a little too brown. So I just add a little bit of it into like the top area and just very lightly go over. Like, I'm barely touching it. And it just adds like some more warmth into it. This is honestly like my new favorite eye look. Like, I just want to wear it all the time for everything. Granted, I only wore it once yesterday, but I just really like how it looks. It just looks really good on me. I feel like it'll just fit any kind of occasion or outfit, so really like that. Lastly, for the eyes, I'm going to go into that white color S'more and put that into the eyelid. Yeah, I'm going to put that into my eyelid with this flat brush right here. Just place it on there just to lighten it up a little bit and to pretty much set that concealer that's underneath. This is like an all matte makeup look. I feel like it's like very universal for anybody. before I go and finish up the under eyes, I'm just going to do the rest of my face. So for soft beat, I'm just going to go in with some matte primer, just because I feel like a matte face is more fitting with a matte eye. So that makes sense, right? Yeah. Just going to use this one for Wet n Wild and just go all over my face with it. And honestly, I don't really feel like going in with foundation, because I did go in with foundation yesterday when I wore this look, but it was like super hot and I was so sweaty that like having a whole face of makeup was not the look, like wasn't best for me, because it just ended up melting off. So I'm just gonna go with some concealer because I just feel like that just fits better for me. So I'm just gonna go with my No Filter concealer, and this is medium 28. Just go into the under eyes. I'm also gonna spot conceal a bit because I feel like I've been breaking out a lot this summer, and I think it's because like first of all I'm like on birth control, because I mean that kind of messes up with your skin. I think like the summer has just been, oh wait, no, actually where I work is a hibachi restaurant, and so if you know hibachi, it gets very oily and greasy, and by the end of the night I just feel super oily and greasy, so I feel like that's also a problem too. So I think I just need to look into more skincare products that help with grease and oil and dirt. I think I'm just gonna look up some videos and look up some more products, because this skin is just irritating me. Like, it's not horrible, but like I have little breakouts here and there, but it's definitely more than normal, and I just want perfect skin, you know? That's what everybody wants. Now I'm just gonna set everything with my Maybelline FitMe powder as per usual, and it's just the color medium. I really just like to pat it in there just so I can like really lock in the makeup and make sure that everything is powdered up so that it's longer lasting. Now that I'm all powdered up, I'm just gonna bronze my face with my usual butter bronzer and take that on an angled brush. So since this is like a soft beat kind of makeup look, I feel like blush is a little bit of like an overkill, so I'm just sticking with the bronzer. And so yeah, next I'm just gonna go into highlight, which would be like the last step with the face. So for highlight, I'm gonna go with my Colourpop Whisk Super Shock highlighter. And yeah, I don't know why I picked this one. I think it just looks more fitting to me, I feel like, and I like how it looks with this kind of makeup look. So yeah, because even though it's like super matte, like your cheeks doesn't have to be matte, they can look glowy all you want. Especially like since this highlight is more like kind of golden-ish, maybe champagne. I just feel like it matches a little better. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, because if I did on camera it'll take a million years. So BRB. So I went ahead and did my brows off camera, and I also sprayed my face off camera because I felt super powdery, so I had to go ahead and do that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes. I'm gonna take my pencil brush from Colourpop and go into a latte and take a bit of that and run this all across my under eye. I feel like it creates like a good shadow under the eye and just like kind of brings it back to the top, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I actually wore this look on a date yesterday with Corbin, and I went to like this tea place that's in my hometown, and it was like really cool. It was like very hipster, I'd say, because like you could tell it's like run by hipsters and millennials, because it was like sustainable. Like we asked for to-go cups, and they're like, we're actually a low-waste company, so we don't use to-go cups, so you're welcome to bring a cup next time to get tea. Yeah, I personally don't like tea, but I was taking Corbin out on a date, so I was obviously gonna take him to a place that he would enjoy, and he really enjoyed it. Like I knew he would. He loves tea, but like they had a whole tea flight, so you got to like choose 3 different tea flavors, and they'll give you all of them all at once. But there was like one with like a little piece of sage, and it was on fire. Well, it's not on fire, but it's like smoky, and like you know how you burn sage around the house. Like it was like a little piece of that, and it was on the teacup as a garnish, and I was just like, what the heck, they're burning sage on a teacup? I thought that was so cool to me. So now taking that same pencil brush, I'm gonna go into Cozy just to deepen on my under eye, and this I'm just gonna take from like the outer corner to the middle, just like to keep it on the outer portion of my eye, because I don't want to close it up by taking it all the way across. For eyeliner, it's going to be very minimal. I'm going to go with this nude eyeliner that is from Wet n Wild. And just take that onto my under eye, and this will just open up the eyes a little bit. So I'm really just going to go in with one mascara, and of course it's going to be my Total Temptation mascara, especially for a soft beat look like the. So I'm just going to use that for my top lashes. And then now, of course, for my bottom lashes, my Maybelline mascara. Before I finish up with the eyes, I'm going to go in with my Colourpop Shock Highlighter again and put this in my inner corner. Even though it's a matte look, I still like to have a little shine in my inner corner because I just like opening up my eyes a bit. So I'm going to use this highlighter. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the lips. Of course, it has to be a nude lip because it's a soft beat, everyday kind of makeup. So I would go with layover, but I'm going to try something different. So let's see. Screenshot would be good. Yeah, I'm going to go with Screenshot from Colourpop, which is an Ultra Satin lip. It's very nude. I'd say it's like a more peachy side. Yeah, I think this works. Yeah, it's definitely a lot peachier. And I'm not really going to go crazy overline it or anything. I really just follow my lips. Also, if you haven't watched my Colourpop lip collection video, you should definitely go check it out. I like pretty much swatch every single lipstick I have from Colourpop, and I have like all kinds of finishes, like from glosses to lipsticks to everything. And yeah, you should check it out if you want to see like how different lipsticks looks on my skin and all like my whole Colourpop collection. I like worked really hard on that video because I actually like finally got new software for editing. So yeah, you should check it out, and I'll link that above, below, wherever you can click it. So check it out. And I'm just going to lighten this lip a little bit more, and also I just need some gloss. So I'm going to go with my I Love Satin gloss. This is the color Curvii. I'm just going to take this on the center of my lips first. I don't like it to take it all across because I just feel like it's too much. Because ultra glossy lips from Colourpop are so sticky and heavy feeling to me, but I like how they look. That's for sure. This is the final look, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This tutorial is actually really fast, a lot faster than I thought it was gonna be, but the eye makeup is like super simple and the face was simple, so of course it was gonna be a quick tutorial. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it and found some use with it. I definitely used like a different technique, and so hopefully you can try it out with your eyes and see if it fits you. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe down below. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias at Beauty with Juvie. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!